Oh, dude, my pants are all sweaty. I'm gonna die. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Help, so hot. Oh, so hot, man. Give me a hand.
Hey kid,
Dude.
you.
Me?
Yeah, you too.
What happened?
Come over here.
What did wrong?
Wow, you're hot, right?
Yeah, it's so hot.
Your pants are all sweaty.
Yes.
Does it suck?
Yes, it's really sucks bad.
A lot.
Yes.
Check these out. Air conditioned pants, brand new.
What does it do?
Wow. You see this crank right here?
Yeah.
This one right here? This one right here? You spin it, a whole new world. Check it out.
Can I try them on?
Go try them on.
All right, thank you.
You have 2 minutes.
These pants feel so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're special air conditioning pants. Go walk in them. Go try them out.
Feels so relaxing, man.
So comfortable,
Yeah.
so cheap, so fresh to death. Go spin it and see what happens.
Whoa, I feel like dancing.
And they're cold.
I feel so fresh. I feel like dancing.
So, how are they?
They feel so good and great.
Comfortable,
Comfortable, yeah.
fresh,
Fresh. I felt like I danced right now. Did you saw that?
because they were fresh.
Hell yeah. I felt like that I was in heaven.
The best kind.
Yeah.
Air conditioning pants.
Yeah.
Air conditioning pants. Hey girl.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Come here, babe.
What up, big dog?
Check out these pants. How do they look?
Oh, they look so bomb, man. Are those air conditioning pants?
He looks hot, huh?
Hell yeah. I wish I had some of those.
These are it.
Can I have those?
Maybe. All right, take them.
All right, thanks, man.
Air conditioning
welcome.
pants.
One happy customer here. Happy, hot, sexy girl right here. She liked them, he liked them.
I really like them.
I love them.
Yeah. Do they come all sizes
And colors.
and colors?
Colors.
Yeah. You should make-
$24.95. Buy them.
Buy them or I'll kill you.